If you're a true car enthusiast, make sure you hit that subscribe button to Auto Addicts right now, because today we're diving into one of the most exciting comebacks in automotive history, the 2025 Volkswagen Kombi. Yes, the legend is back, but not just as a nostalgic throwback. It's been completely reimagined for the modern era with cutting-edge tech, eco-friendly performance, and a design that bridges the past and the future. Stick around till the end, because this is not just a review. It's a full journey through what makes the new Kombi an absolute game-changer. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 Volkswagen Kombi hits you with a wave of retro charm. The iconic two-tone paint job is back, but now it's paired with sleek LED headlights, flush door handles, and a streamlined silhouette that screams modern sophistication. The large panoramic windshield and wraparound glass keep that classic open-air feel, but with a much cleaner aerodynamic edge. Even the wheels have a retro-inspired design with a futuristic twist, giving the Kombi a personality that's both timeless and forward-thinking. Step inside, and you instantly realize this isn't your grandfather's Kombi. The interior is like stepping into a premium electric lounge on wheels. Volkswagen has gone all out with high-quality, sustainable materials. Think recycled fabrics, vegan leather, and natural wood accents. The dashboard is dominated by a massive infotainment display, paired with a fully digital driver's cluster that can be customized to show everything from navigation to EV range. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, creating a calm, inviting atmosphere perfect for road trips or city cruising. The seating layout is incredibly flexible. Whether you want to carry passengers, camping gear, or surfboards, the Kombi adapts to your lifestyle. Plus, the second-row seats can swivel to face the rear, turning the cabin into a cozy social space. Performance-wise, the 2025 Volkswagen Kombi proves it's not just about style. It's built on VW's latest electric platform, offering a choice of battery sizes, with the top-tier model delivering over 300 miles of range on a single charge. The instant torque from its electric motor makes city driving smooth and highway cruising effortless. There's also an all-wheel drive option for those who want a bit more capability, whether you're tackling mountain roads or heading off the beaten path. The suspension has been tuned for comfort without losing that precise handling VW is known for, making long journeys a pleasure. Regenerative braking is another highlight, helping to extend range while giving you a one-pedal driving experience. And of course, Volkswagen has loaded the Kombi with the latest tech and safety features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a 360-degree camera system. Perfect for parking in tight city spaces or navigating campgrounds. The infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, meaning your Kombi will keep getting smarter over time. And with the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, every trip can be as connected as you want it to be. Now, the big question, price. The 2025 Volkswagen Kombi starts around $48,000 for the base model, which is still very well equipped, and can climb past $65,000 for the fully loaded version with the largest battery, AWD, and all the luxury extras. Considering the blend of retro style, modern comfort, and advanced EV tech, it's actually a strong value in today's electric vehicle market. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Kombi worth it? Absolutely. It's not just a car, it's a statement. It's for people who want practicality without losing personality, and nostalgia without sacrificing modern innovation. It's a vehicle that makes every trip feel like an adventure, whether you're commuting to work or driving cross-country. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth looks at the latest cars, concepts, and automotive innovations, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Addicts. We've got plenty more exciting rides to explore, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.